Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel so you can get a new notification. Today our topic is integers. Before going to discuss about integers, we will recall about natural numbers and whole numbers. Then how we can say that the numbers which are natural and which are whole numbers and which are integers. Okay, that is, we already know that this is a number line. It is containing middle 0 and the right side of that one positive 1, positive 2, positive 3 and so on. The left of the 0 are -1, -2, -3 and so on. This is a number line. Then how we can say the numbers which are natural? Okay, that is, the natural numbers are accounting numbers. It means suppose you are going to count how many students are there in your classroom. Then how will you count? First you are starting with 1, 2, 3 and so on. Is it correct? Then such numbers are called natural numbers. That is, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called natural numbers. Then what do you mean by whole number? It means, first of all, whole numbers contains natural numbers along with 0. Okay, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, these are called whole numbers. And natural numbers are denoted by capital N and the whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Then with the help of these numbers we are going to define integers. Then the numbers 0, +1, +2, +3 and so on, including to these numbers we are considering -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay, completely collectively these numbers are called integers. Integers are actually denoted by sometimes capital Z or capital I. Okay, the numbers 0, plus or -1, plus or -2, plus or -3 and so on. These numbers are called integers. Okay, we have defined integers. Then how we can add the integers? What happens? Suppose sum of two integers, what it may be. You consider examples like I will consider two positive integers. Suppose 2 and 5. I have considered two positive integers. Then what about their sum? Sum means we have to add those. 2 plus 5, that is equals to 7. Here 2 is positive integer, 5 is also positive integer, then their sum is also a positive integer. Then second one, I will consider two negative integers. Suppose you take the same numbers with a negative sign, -2 and -5. Okay, in the first case I have taken two positive integers, in the second case I have taken two negative integers. So what about their sum? That is -2 plus of -5. Then what happens? -2, this is plus into minus, -5. Here both numbers having negative sign, that's why we have to add those two. That is 2 plus 5 is 7 and we have to write the negative sign. Okay, then third case. In first case I have taken two positive integers, in second case two negative integers. Third case I will take one is positive and one is negative. That is 5 and -2. 5 and -2. What about their sum? 5 plus of -2. What happens? 5 plus into minus, -2. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is also positive. Here this is when two integers are negative, then their sum is also negative. And in this case there are again two sub cases. Okay, this is larger number having positive sign and a smaller number having negative sign. Then their sum is positive integer. Suppose in that one, larger number having negative sign and smaller number having positive sign. Then what happens? -5 plus 2. minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, because larger number having negative sign, that's why this is minus 3. These are the 4 cases. Here sum of two positive integer is again a positive integer, and sum of two negative is negative integer. In third case there are two sub cases. One first larger number having positive sign and smaller number having negative sign, then their sum is positive. In case if larger number having negative sign and a smaller number having positive means, then their sum is minus sign. Okay. Next, directly I will discuss the exercise 1.1. Okay. This is our first question in the exercise 1.1. That is, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Here they given a number line, and that number line consisting of degrees in Celsius, that is temperature of the degrees in Celsius, and they given some of the cities, particular cities, and we have to find out here what is the first question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, we know that this is a 0 and the right side having positive integers, that is this one is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, this one is plus 5. It means the city Simla having 5 degrees Celsius temperature. Next, this one is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It means the city Ooty has 14 degrees Celsius temperature. Next here 20, next 21, 22. It means the city Bengaluru has 22 degree Celsius temperature. Then when you come to left side of the 0, we are going to get the negative integers. So this is 0 means minus 1, this one is minus 2. It means the city Srinagar having the temperature minus 2 degree Celsius. Next here minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. That is the city Lahul Spiti having minus 8 degree Celsius. So we have to write the answer. First one, Lahul Spiti. Here I will make one column city and another column temperature. Okay. The first city I will write Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti. It is having how much degree? This is minus 5 means minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay. This one is the indication of degree Celsius. Okay. Next, second one, Srinagar. So this is 0, minus 1, minus 2. That is the city Srinagar. Srinagar having minus 2 degree Celsius temperature. Next, third one, Shimla. That is directly we can say that it is having 5 degree centigrade or 5 degree Celsius. That is Shimla. Having how much? 5 degree Celsius. Next, fourth one, that is Ooty having 10, next 11, 12, 13, 14 degree Celsius. The city Ooty having 14 degree Celsius. Next, fifth one, that is Bengaluru, 20, 21, 22. So the city Bengaluru having 22 degree Celsius. This is the solution for question A in the first one. That is, observe this number line and write the temperature of the following places marked on it. This is the solution of this question. That is the city Lahul Spiti having minus 8 degrees Celsius. The city Srinagar having minus 2 degrees Celsius temperature. Next, Simla having 5 degrees Celsius temperature. And Ooty having 14 degrees Celsius. Next, Bangalore city having 22 degree Celsius. This is the Bangalore city having 22 degree Celsius. Here is the second question. what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? Okay, here difference between means we have to subtract, that is the coldest places, the temperature of the coldest place from the temperature of the hottest place. Okay, that is in the previous question we know that the hottest city is Bengaluru because it is having highest temperature, that is 22 degree Celsius, and here coldest means which one having a negative, highest negative temperature, that is minus 8 degree Celsius, that is the city Lahul Spiti. Here the question is what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above. It means the solution is, first you write a Bengaluru city having how much degree? Bengaluru city has 22 degree Celsius. So it means it is the hottest city. Is it correct? Next, Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti has minus 8 degree Celsius. This is the coldest city. Okay. Here the difference between hottest and coldest place. It means difference means we have to make subtraction. That is 22 degrees the highest temperature. Difference means we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? The temperature of the coldest place. That is minus 8. Okay, then what happens? 22 minus into minus it will become plus. Minus into minus it will become plus. So 22 plus 8, that is equals to 30 degree Celsius. That is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places. Okay. Next, third one, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? This time they given particular cities. Okay, here what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? That is minus 8 degree Celsius. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? Here minus 2 degree Celsius. Then they are asking temperature difference. So it means we have to write the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti has minus 8 degree Celsius and Srinagar has minus 2 degree Celsius. Then their difference, that is minus 8 minus of minus 2. Okay, that is equals to minus 8 minus into minus plus 2. Then minus 8 plus 2 is equals to minus 6 because the larger number having negative sign. So that is minus 6 degree Celsius. That is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Next, come to last question, that is, can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? And they are asking another question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? It means we have to consider the temperature of two cities, those are Srinagar and Shimla. Here what is the temperature of Srinagar? That is minus 2. Okay, minus 2, and Shimla how much? 5. Then you add those two. 2 minus 2 plus 5, that is plus 3 degree Celsius. If this temperature is less than the temperature at Shimla. Here what is the temperature of Shimla? 5 degree Celsius. Is it correct? Yes, because degree Celsius is less than plus 5 degree Celsius, because here plus 5 degree Celsius is the temperature of Shimla. That is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla. So that is true. Next, second question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Here what is the temperature of Srinagar? This is minus 2. 3 is not less than minus 2. Okay, 3 is not less than minus 2. So this is the temperature of both Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Okay, this is the solution for last question. Thank you.